Industrial identification. Inspection tags made to last. Made to customer specifications. Made for industrial and environmentally challenging applications. By LEM Products Incorporated. Manufacturing since 1969 in the USA. ISO certified. A contract manufacturer, LEM Products Incorporated designs, engineers, and manufactures the industrial identification that will keep people safe in the workplace and help keep companies OSHA compliant. 100% of our products are manufactured in our ISO certified 42,000 square feet facility in Montgomeryville, Pennsylvania. LEM Products Incorporated is a trusted, reliable partner and preferred supplier to OEM, utility, transportation, marine, wind, and resale industries.